How to unfriend all Facebook friends in one time 2026. Need to start fresh on Facebook by removing all your friends at once. I'll show you the safest and fastest methods to mass unfriend in 2026. If this helps you clean up your Facebook, hit that like button and subscribe for more social media tutorials. There are many reasons you might want to unfriend everyone on Facebook at once. Maybe you're transitioning from personal to professional use, cleaning up after a difficult period, protecting your privacy, or simply wanting a fresh start. However, Facebook doesn't provide an official unfriend all button because they want to discourage mass unfriending. This means you'll need to use manual methods or browser tools carefully to avoid violating Facebook's terms of service. Today, I'm showing you legitimate approaches to unfriend multiple people quickly while staying within Facebook's guidelines and avoiding account restrictions. First, understand that Facebook doesn't allow instant mass unfriending with one click. There's no built-in feature to unfriend all friends simultaneously because Facebook considers this unusual activity that could indicate a compromised account. Any method claiming to unfriend hundreds of people instantly is likely violating Facebook's terms and could get your account temporarily or permanently banned. The safest approach is systematic unfriending using Facebook's native features. Second, unfriend people manually through your friends list. This is the slowest but safest method that Facebook fully supports. Log into Facebook on your computer or mobile app, go to your profile, and click on Friends to see your complete friends list. On each person's profile preview, you'll see a Friends button. Click it and select Unfriend from the drop-down menu. Confirm the unfriend action. Repeat this process for each person you want to remove. While tedious for hundreds of friends, this method has zero risk of account suspension. Third, use Facebook's browser version with rapid clicking for faster manual unfriending. Open Facebook on your computer's web browser, not the mobile app, as it's faster. Go to your friends list, and instead of visiting each profile, hover over the Friends button next to each name directly in the list view. Click Friends, then Unfriend, moving quickly from person to person. You can unfriend approximately one person every 3 to 5 seconds this way, meaning 100 friends takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Take short breaks every 50 to 100 unfriends to avoid triggering Facebook's spam detection. Fourth, be aware of Facebook's rate limits to avoid temporary blocks. Facebook monitors unusual activity patterns. If you unfriend more than 100 to 200 people within a few hours, Facebook may temporarily block you from unfriending for 24 to 48 hours, thinking your account is compromised or being used by bots. To stay safe, unfriend in batches. Do 50 friends, wait a few hours, do another 50, and so on over several days. This mimics natural behavior and keeps your account in good standing. Fifth, prioritize who to unfriend first by sorting your friends list. Facebook lets you sort friends by different categories. Go to your friends list and use the filters to sort by recently added, which shows your newest connections, or by location, workplace, or education. Start unfriending from categories that matter least to you. This strategic approach helps you remove the bulk of unwanted connections efficiently while keeping people who actually matter. Sixth, consider deactivating your account instead if you want a complete break. If your goal is to disconnect from everyone temporarily rather than permanently delete friendships, go to Settings and Privacy Settings, then your Facebook information, and select Deactivation and Deletion. Choose Deactivate Account. This hides your profile from everyone, including all your friends, without actually unfriending anyone. You can reactivate any time by simply logging back in. This is perfect if you're unsure about permanent unfriending. Seventh, avoid third-party browser extensions or scripts claiming to mass unfriend. You may find Chrome extensions or JavaScript codes online promising to unfriend all friends automatically. While some technically work, using them violates Facebook's terms of service because they automate actions Facebook considers should be manual. Facebook actively detects and blocks these tools, and using them can result in your account being suspended or permanently banned. The risk far outweighs the time saved. Here's a pro tip for those serious about clearing their friends list efficiently and safely. Use Facebook's desktop site during off-peak hours like early morning or late night, when Facebook servers are less busy and monitoring is less aggressive. Open your friends list, put on some music or a podcast, and create a rhythm. Click Friends button, click Unfriend, confirm, move to next person. You can unfriend about 15 to 20 people per minute once you get into a flow, which means clearing 300 friends takes only 15 to 20 minutes of focused work spread across a few sessions. Also, start from the bottom of your friends list and work upward, as this prevents the list from shifting and causing you to lose your place. Another insider trick is to unfriend the people you interact with least first. Go to your friends list, and Facebook often shows mutual friends and recent interactions. Focus on profiles showing 0 mutual friends and no recent activity, as these are likely people you don't need in your network anymore and won't notice the unfriending. So to recap, unfriending all Facebook friends at once isn't possible with one click, but you can systematically unfriend everyone by manually going through your friends list on desktop. Working in batches of 50 to 100 to avoid rate limits, taking breaks between sessions, avoiding risky third-party automation tools, or temporarily deactivating your account if you just need a break. The safest and most effective method is manual unfriending through Facebook's desktop, site in organized batches over a few days. If this guide helped you understand how to mass unfriend on Facebook safely, please like this video and subscribe for more social media management tutorials. Have you ever done a major Facebook friend purge? What prompted it and how did it go? Share your experience in the comments below to help others going through the same thing. Thanks for watching and good luck with your fresh start.